Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So let's get started this brand video, my friend. Please, if you are new my channel, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification, my brother. In those days, a lot of coins were very badly falls down, but some coin, my friend, is definitely moving very good and very good profits now. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends, to please in upcoming time there is a chance to a lot of coins will take a very huge jumps now. So VChain, what's the condition of VChain, and can those time and this time, my friends, the VChain condition is good or not? Definitely, my friends, the condition is very critical of any coin, my friends, but VChain is one of the fastest and one of the very good coin, my friends, to get a profit in this last month. This is last 1 month chart, my friends, and definitely it's a very clearly show you, my friends, to this coin will be in the profit now. My friends, after a short fails, definitely every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I'm so happy to if they were take a short jump, so they will again fails down. But absolutely after a fails, they will take a very huge jump now. So every coin will moving in this circulation. Don't vary, my friends. But definitely, my friends, some coin were fails down for a short time. So therefore, the holders are starting doing very huge mistake. To they are starting selling. So I will clearly tell you this is very wrong mistake to you are doing. Kindly don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss, my friend. Let's see, my brothers, to what my opinion is for all of you, my friends, to please hold now in those days, because I am 100% clear, I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time after this fails, they will definitely take a very huge jump now, because this is just and only, my friends, the formula. Absolutely from last 3 years, my friends, which I hold, which I invest in a crypto. Definitely I understand this, my friends, to after a short fails, they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I will also tell you to definitely the very huge jump is coming soon. If you want to get a profit now, just and only you will need to wait and hold for a good time. Thanks for watching, Weekend Holder. Kindly like video and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.